I bought Mikayla's full Point of View Beauty skincare line to test out on my acne prone and textured skin. So here's an unbiased, unsponsored review on unfiltered, dry, sensitive, acne prone skin. Okay, so I did buy this myself. It cost me quite a bit to get the full line. This is what the box looks like. My skin's been really like dry and irritated lately due to the weather changes. I'm really excited to try this routine out. So this is the Soothing Priming Milk. It has fermented rice water, niacinamide, squalene, and a biopeptide complex. It's more liquidy than I thought. Press that into the skin. I don't smell any like fragrance. Definitely super hydrating and glowy, which is what these products really look like on Mikayla's skin. I know she struggled with acne in the past, so that's why I was really curious about this line. And then we're supposed to use Drip It. Ooh, I like the applicator of this. I definitely lean towards more nourishing products like this, even with my own skincare line at 9 to 5, and then I just use my prescription products like my Eraslo 3 times a week, which I've been on for 2 years. So I'm gonna be using Point of View for the next few weeks here as my base skincare, and then just use my prescription in between that, which I already used. Okay, the glow is definitely there, and things definitely feel tacky, which makes sense because this is like a makeup base. I do want to let each layer dry down to avoid any pilling. I think we use Whip It because then Glaze It is the tacky primer for underneath makeup. This is the Whip It moisturizer. Cute, it says POV on there. Oh, this is a really thick moisturizer. I wasn't expecting it to be so moussey. There's supposed to be something here. Oh, okay. So it's like a double twist. So we have the spatula and you have to twist the whole cap to open the moisturizer. Just gonna use the excess on the cap for now. That feels really nice. Not what I was expecting at all. We have Amp It Amplifying Lip Ampule, and I actually just ordered all of the colored lip ampules, all of the lip kits with the lip liner. Spent like $300 something on that. So review coming soon on those. I do really like the applicator of this, how it's a squeezy tube with a twist off cap. I think it's very unique. Squeeze it out. This has Elastin Glow technology and mango flavor. I don't really taste any flavor to it, which honestly I don't mind because I don't really like when my lip products are too flavored. Just mentioning that. This has triple butter blend, argan oil, and hyaluronic filling spheres to give lips a serious dose of hydration. I like the texture of this lip balm a lot. What I'm noticing is that these products have a lot of like trademarked technology, which sometimes I think can be a little confusing to the, you know, regular consumer who's not looking into all of the technology and just being like, oh, this claims to have this boosting technology and this firming technology and this and this and this. Okay, now that that's settled in, let's go in with Glaze It. This is the tacky primer. My only thing that I was really confused about when she launched this is that there's no sunscreen. This is a locking mechanism. I have a really hard time with makeup reviews that don't show how products look like with sunscreen underneath. On a day-to-day, I always apply sunscreen. This is not the texture I was imagining. Not like Milk Hydro Grip or even the e.l.f. primer. It's a lot more watery. This has niacinamide and glycerin in it, which I really, really love as ingredients that I include in my brand as well. And it's cool to see Mikayla's journey, especially as a founder myself. I'm self-founded, so it's like a little bit different scale. It is cool regardless to see like more of the business side from her. Okay, that definitely does have some grip to it, and even on the skin, but it doesn't feel like too heavy. Even though we layered a lot of products, the skin just feels very nourished and plump and nothing is pilling on itself. I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. I wanted to give a little midday update. I did end up cracking around the mouth, which really shocked me because I did obviously use skincare products which are for skin prep specifically. I'm gonna have to try it out another day with a different foundation. So obviously I'm going to use this skin prep more, and not only just when I'm doing my makeup, but also in my night and morning routine, and keep you guys updated. Let me know what you think, and remember to tell yourself something you love about your skin today, and check out my podcast Loud Talk with Lavi, where we break down the walls of beauty standards one flaw at a time. Love you. Bye.